So I've got one Sara Lee classic pound cake. Reminds me of when I was a kid. I put that whole thing in the bottom of a 9 by 13 pan. 2 cans of blueberry pie filling. One here. Sometimes it likes to cooperate. Today it is not. Let me get the spatula. Same with this one. Make sure I get all of that pie filling. Perfect. Then just spread this out on top of all those pound cake pieces. This is kind of like a trifle, but it's just like one layer. Okay, once we have that, oh, I love the smell of blueberry pie filling. So good. Make sure you get every piece covered. And then I've got a tub of Cool Whip. I've got the extra creamy kind, but you can use like sugar-free if you want. And then I've got a packet of cheesecake jello. That's gonna go right in there. We're just gonna give this a mix. And we're gonna pour this all over the top. Like that. Spatula, get all of it out. And then we're gonna put this in one layer as well. Okay, once that looks like it's an even layer, that swirl is so pretty. We are going to pop this in the fridge and let all of these flavors come together. And then we're gonna do one last bit of decorating before we serve. This has been in the fridge for about an hour. Everything has set. Take a look at the bottom. That blueberry and the pound cake. It's gonna be so good. Okay, I've got some slivered almonds because that goes really well with blueberries. Put that on top like that. And then I've got some fresh blueberries. Just kind of dot that all over the top. Doesn't that look pretty? Showstopper. You should totally make this and take this to, you know, like your next potluck or brunch with the girlies. Take a spoon. I'm just gonna dig right on in. Like that. Got that cheesecake Cool Whip on the top too. Oh, you know, I don't think I could fit that in my mouth, so hold on. A smaller piece, like that. Mmm, cold, refreshing, cheesecakey, blueberry, pound cake, perfection. You should make it.